the upcoming FMA annual meeting. It's an excellent opportunity for people to, both large and small, and that was kind of the theme of the editorial. Just because you're a large company, it doesn't mean that you can't learn from others and just meet people. And I think when we talk about a worker shortage, I also think there's a talent shortage. And if you can find somebody who has leadership skills, able to communicate with shop floor and front office and customers, these are the type of people attending this conference. And
Right.
I think it's an ample opportunity to meet people, learn from them, and just frankly, share stories with other people that understand what's happening.
One shop owner recently told me, you know what? There's a curiosity shortage. Yeah,
Yeah.
he called it so that's why I say, that's what's so great about the FMA annual meeting, which thankfully is back live next year.
Right.
Is you're around a bunch of curious people who all have the same problem.